In this video, I will show you how to fix Use Messenger to keep chatting. Many people face this problem when they try to check their chats on Facebook. Instead of seeing their messages, an error message appears, telling them to use Messenger for chatting. The good news is that fixing this problem is quick and easy. First things first, open up the Google Chrome web browser on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Now, if you try to check your messages by tapping on the Messenger icon, you will see this pop-up message, "Use Messenger to keep chatting." This can be quite annoying, especially if you prefer using the web version for messaging. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. To bypass this message, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of your browser window. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Desktop Site. After tapping Desktop Site, give it a moment for the page to load. You should now see Facebook as it appears on a computer rather than a mobile device. Now that you're viewing Facebook in desktop mode, it's time to check your messages again. Tap on the Messenger icon. As you can see now, all messages are visible without any issues. You can chat with anyone just like before without being forced into using Messenger. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to access your Facebook messages through Google Chrome without being redirected to Messenger. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.